Congratulations to Educate Together Secondary School Wicklow. Winners of the schoolcomputers.ie €20,000 Mega Draw Classroom Technology Makeover. Entered by their IT provider Arklow and Gorey Computer Solutions. To celebrate their win, students and staff were joined by rugby star Jack Conan, Green TD Stephen Matthews, and Green Tech Company Tier 1A's Mark Foster. This year's theme was Going Green, promoting recycled, sustainable and environmentally friendly IT, so we can work together for a greener planet and a brighter tomorrow. Proudly supported by the best in tech, with our 75-inch interactive screen from Philips Professional Display, 22 premium refurbished laptops and desktop from T1A, a select high-performance monitor from AOC, the all-in-one Canon printer and Canon camera, and the game-changing Manhattan 32-port charging cart. Visit schoolcomputers.ie for your complete IT and sustainable technology solutions, and your chance to enter our upcoming education mini draws.